Hi guys, I'm back with another recipe. Today I'm making my version of tuna sandwich or tuna salad with guacamole. Okay, so to start off, I just drained the oil from my tuna, and then we're gonna all put it here into sa ating bowl. I'm gonna add around a teaspoon of this sweet green pickle relish, as well a few tablespoon or teaspoon of our sugar. Lagyan ko rin ng siguro 2 teaspoon ng ating mayonnaise. Of course, we need some salt. And some pepper. And then we'll mix this well. Of course, you want to taste for seasoning, okay? Kung kulang pa yung mayonnaise para sa inyo or kulang pa yung sweetness, of course you could add. There you go. That's my tuna salad. Okay, so on to our guacamole. First things first is we need a ripe avocado. So this is how I prepare my avocado for the guacamole. So it's all looking so fresh and green. This is how I remove the pit. I just whack it and then twist it like so. We're gonna scoop out the flesh. I can't wait to try this, guys. This is one of my favorite breakfasts of all times. Yung tuna salad with guacamole. And then, oops, I forgot to use the onion. So, a tip para lumabas yung katas ng orange is I just roll it like this. Or if you have a microwave, you could also microwave it for, I think, a minute. And then lahat ng juice lalabas. So, I use lemon just to prevent the avocado from turning brown or from oxidizing. So, it won't really affect the taste of it, okay? So, just a few squirts of the lemon. I'm gonna add some salt and then some pepper, and then I'm just gonna mash it like so. Okay guys, so this is how I prepare my tuna salad with guacamole. So you can do this in any other order or in any order that you want. So I'm just gonna start off with my tuna. I'm just gonna spread tuna all over my bagel. It doesn't have to be a specific type of bagel, okay? Right now we only have the cinnamon and raisin, so that's what we're gonna use. You could use, of course, poppy seed bagel will be good with this, or sesame seed bagel. Pero this is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna use. And then next, I'm just gonna slather some guacamole on top of this. The more, the better. So this is one of my go-to breakfasts if I'm craving something substantial for the day, this will last me. There you go, guys. So this is my version of tuna salad with guacamole. I hope you guys give this a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.